That's why Scotty kept finding food coming off his hat.
Now they're everywhere, you